Yesterday I decided I would take a transmission out instead of working on my daily driver truck. That one wouldn't make it home.
We're having fun. This is going well.